dawn of a new day at the Mercedes-Benz production campus. A moment of calm precision before the future takes shape.
It's impressive every morning, isn't it?
The logistics center is running at full capacity already.
Morning, Klaus. Ready for the shift? Absolutely, making sure everything is precise today.
Today marks a new era for our plant and for the C-Class. This vehicle represents the pinnacle of innovation and quality.
Welcome to the largest production facility of its kind, where efficiency and sustainability are integrated into every step.
Sector 4 to crane operations. You are clear to engage the coils on Railcar 3. Initiating lift sequence now. All clear below.
Confirm the battery assembly shipment for Zone 4.
Acknowledged. Route is clear, proceeding on schedule.
Attention all teams. We are officially commencing production on the new line.
Train 2 is approaching. Focus on the flatbeds first. Get those coils to the press shop.
Over.
The coils are seamlessly transferred by the magnetic lifting system to the automated storage area.
Steel and aluminum coils are seamlessly integrated into the production workflow, tracked in real time by laser sensors.
It's incredible how precise the AGV is. Yes, the transfer to the press shop is seamless. Alignment is locked. Verified. Confirmed. Send the signal.
The AI confirms the composition. We have the quality certification here.
Excellent. The green light is on. We can proceed to the feed system.
Approved steel coil slowly begins rotating on the decoiler as the servo-controlled feed rollers carefully pull the continuous strip forward.
Check the tension reading on line 3. Looks stable. The alignment is perfect now.
Welcome to the press shop. Here, the raw steel meets the immense power of our servo presses, beginning its transformation into the C-Class.
The first stamping cycle begins. Laser alignment sensors verify exact placement before the press forms the panel. Cycle complete. Transfer sequence initiated. Next panel entering Station 4.
Attention deep draw operators. Monitor panel alignment closely for the next batch. We are increasing the servo pressure.
Approved.
Attention all teams. Line maintenance will begin at 2200 hours. Ensure all components are secured.
Automated systems ensure every component is tracked. These flawless panels are now ready for the body and white assembly stage. In the body in white hall, hundreds of robotic arms stand ready, precisely assemble the stamped components of.
As the floor pan moves into place, the locating pins ensure sub-millimeter accuracy.
It's incredible how fast the robots move.
Side frame integration is critical. Our laser-guided systems align each frame precisely before they are secured firmly into place.
Scan sequence initiated. Millimeter accuracy confirmed. Tolerances are perfect.
Verification complete. All structural connections meet Mercedes-Benz quality requirements.
Attention all teams. Prepare aluminum panels for the next shift. Ensure all safety checks are completed before the inspection phase.
Surface quality is flawless here.
Automated analysis complete. Everything green across the board. Final approval issued.
The flawless body in white now transitions to the surface treatment and paint shop, ensuring perfect corrosion protection.
Transitioning now to topic 11, the finished vehicle production line, where world-class manufacturing ensures every vehicle is ready for shipment.
Station 42, quality check confirmed. Proceed to final alignment.
VIN and production history verified. All quality checkpoints passed. Approved for staging.
Check the manifest for the next batch.
Confirmed, we have clearance on lane 3.
The sequence begins with the daytime running lights, followed by the adaptive LED headlights and rear illumination.
Welcome to the future of driving. The new C-Class interior combines stunning craftsmanship with an intuitive digital experience.
Zone 4 logistics update. All vehicles cleared for immediate shipment to the European market. C-Class just cleared final quality control.
Excellent. Notifying the staging area now.
Attention team.
Checksum matches the manifest. Apply the mirror film. Confirmed. Vehicle 22 is cleared for Bay 3.
Leaving the factory floor, the finished vehicle enters the vast logistics network, ready for worldwide distribution.
Unit 352, confirm arrival at Gate B.
Roger that. Approaching verification now. EIN and RFID scan complete.
Confirmed on the manifest. Final approval granted. Autonomous Transport System B, divert to Zone A, North American shipments.
Priority required.
Here at the Mercedes-Benz campus.
Slow approach. Maintain alignment on the ramp. Confirm secure. You are good to proceed.
C-Class Unit 42 confirmed dispatched.
Noted. Updating inventory status now.
The journey complete. From raw steel to this finished luxury automobile, showcasing the scale and precision of our world-class manufacturing campus.
The predictive maintenance alert on the press shop is fluctuating.
I see that. The AI suggests a calibration within the next 2 hours.
Zoom in on the chassis assembly. The dimensional measurements look off on the rear axle.
Rerunning the diagnostic sequence now.
Predictive maintenance alert. Robotic arm 7B requires calibration within the next cycle. All other systems are optimal.
Welcome to the future of sustainable manufacturing. Our campus harnesses the sun, utilizes
The metallic silver finish is absolutely flawless.
It truly is a masterpiece of engineering.
continuous production never stops. This is the future of automotive manufacturing.
This is the complete manufacturing ecosystem, a vision of integrated, sustainable production. As one journey ends, another begins. This is the legacy of precision engineering.
As the sun sets on a new era, the cycle of innovation continues, driven by